This is a fit for a 2016 through 2019 and likely beyond Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Traverse AeroBlade base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black, 53 inches in length, the Rapid Traverse foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. That is part number KIT 1827. The bars are positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.